No.
Okay, let me just. Yes, is it visible now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, just for a quick revision for this, Pradnya, let me just show you how we have developed this waterfall model. Okay,
Okay.
so waterfall model is a basic model of SDLC, software development life cycle. Okay, the very first one, waterfall model. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so here we are. In this waterfall model, the main important phase is requirement gathering. So once we completed our requirement gathering, the how the software has to be developed for the specific purpose, okay, then we go for analysis. Here we are, analysis part. Okay, this is the second phase of our development. Okay, once we complete our analysis, then we go for the design. See, this is just like a pattern of waterfall. That is what is called waterfall model. There are these steps requirement, then we go for analysis, then we go for design. Okay, then development. Okay, so development of our software completed at this phase. Development completed. Our coding is completed here. Okay, then we are here for the testing. Yes, so we are this team testing. Yes, QA, quality assurance. Yes, we are here working like this. Okay, now then we go for maintenance. Okay, so this is a waterfall model. Okay, just for your quick revision, I have taken this. See, the phases in this SDLC, software development lifecycle. How do we do that? We gathered requirement, okay, business requirement specification, customer requirement specification, BRS CRS we call it. Okay, analysis is the second phase where we completed our everything. Okay, high level document, okay, low level document, LLD HLD. Okay, once we are completed with our design, that is a blueprint of our software. Okay, we go for the coding, we go for the development. Okay, once we complete the development, we go for the testing. Okay, here we are working right now. Yes, clear the waterfall model. There are some advantages, disadvantages. I have sent you the notes also. Okay, they contain all the things. Yes, is it good? Is it
Yeah.
okay? Great. Now here we are. So apart from this, yesterday, not yesterday, for the last lecture, we have completed, I think, almost sanity. Yes, for this sanity, we have completed for the sanity lectures. For the sorry, the yesterday lecture, we have completed the sanity. Okay, then here we are. So today's topic is retesting. Retesting. Okay, now so what is mean by retesting? So retesting is a method of re-execution, okay, re-execution of a same build or same application with multiple test data. Okay, here we are. Okay, so we have taken example of Paytm. Okay, so Paytm, what was the work of this? What was the challenges we were facing here? Okay, not kind of challenges. What were the features we have developed? Okay, let's consider we have some account number to be inputted. Okay, to send the money. Okay, we have some IFSC code to enter here. Okay, and then we have mobile number to enter here. What kind of multiple test data I can use here to provide for the user? Okay, account number will be the combination of your alphanumeric. Yes, this could be the thing, alphanumeric. Okay, or that we can consider it as for your IFSC code also. Yes, so multiple test data I'm entering for this my app development for my re-execution. Okay, yes, to test the various different kind of scenarios. Yes, so people involved is regression tester here. Yes, who are involved here? Regression tester. So retesting happens two times. Okay, retesting always happen two times. And what are they? So before we log defect, okay, before we log defect, okay, defect रेज करण्याच्या आधी आपण त्याला रिटेस्ट करत असतो एकदा. आफ्टर डेव्हलपर सॉल्व सेम डिफेक्ट. ओके, आफ्टर डेव्हलपर solve that same defect, we again do this retesting. Clear the topic? Yes. So retesting is important because if we're doing test according to the test case and we check it using only one test data, okay, so let's consider if I have this bunch of data, okay, x y z a b c, something is in it. Yes, I'm testing this for, okay, this is good, this has to be tested, okay, that is perfect. Then again I have received one other data, okay, but this data fails to satisfy the testing. Yes, this is failed and the previous one was pass. Okay, what is happening now? Okay, so I am training my model, I am training my application, I am training my web development process for the different multiple source, multiple data, okay, multiple test data, okay, and that is very helpful for me as the process of testing. Why? Because I don't know what kind of what the data customer will enter in that particular section. Yes, see, this is an example of just bank consideration. Yes, account number, IFSC code, mobile, but that may be another thing. Okay, we have also developed this travel. Yes, travel section. Yes, that contains your train travel, bus travel, plane travel. Okay, so that contains your name also. Okay, your address also. So address column will take n number of things. Okay, your flat number, your colony name, okay, your area, something like this. Okay, so that is my multiple test data I am giving as my input. Understood? What is the purpose of this retesting? We are doing the retesting for the 2 times. Okay, so before the log defect, okay, suppose if you find out some defect, okay, so before that, and we are doing testing after the developer solve that such kind of defect things. Clear the topic? Yes, okay, here we are. So process, okay, what kind of process? First of all, we log defect. I'll just repeat for you. Log defect. Once we log the defect, okay, as a test case fail, okay, test case fail झाली आहे तेव्हाच तर मी defect trace केला. Yes, clear? Why the test case has been failed? Okay, the particular app or the particular web development is not working as expected. Yes, that was the reason my test case has been designed as fail now. So I have raised the defect, I have logged the defect. Okay, so I got that defect ID. Yes, I have my defect ID also. Okay, ABC XYZ, something like this. So then it goes to the developer. Okay, developer solve that defect again. Yes, so developer solve the defect, we again retest it. Yes, for the better execution we do retest, that is retesting. Understood? Yes, clear the topic. What is retesting? Any doubt up to here? Yes, Pritesh, Sagar, Pradnya. Okay, so next is regression testing. Okay, in this regression testing, okay, is a process which we are taking newly corrected, okay, see, newly corrected, what we can say, in this process we are testing newly corrected to ensure that they are working well. Yes, new data, okay, tested on the process to check they are working well and to check their impact on, okay, their impact on working other models. Clear? See, this is the important phase in this testing type. Okay, regression testing. Okay, what is regression testing? I'll repeat again. Regression testing is a process in which we are testing newly corrected, okay, this newly corrected data working well, and the second one, their impact on working other modules. Okay, suppose let's consider an example. Okay, so before that, who are working here, who are working in this regression testing? Same team, our testing team. Clear? our testing team also doing this regression testing. So what is the aim, what is the purpose for this? Okay, what is the purpose of this regression testing is to check whether newly corrected system is working well and impact of their other models. This is the purpose. Yes, is it working well? Is it the same impact that working on the other models also? Different kind of model we have seen. One phase, okay, one module M1, okay, is connected. Let's consider this is our travel module. Yes, आपण बघितलंय की हे ट्रॅव्हल मॉड्यूल जे होतं माझं, ओके, याच्यामध्ये सब मॉड्यूल्स कोणते होते? ट्रेन सब मॉड्यूल आहे माझ्याकडे, ओके. देन आय हॅव एअर, बाय एअर, ओके. देन विच वन? बस. सी, दिस इज माय सब मॉड्यूल्स. ओके. सो इम्पॅक्टेड सिस्टीम कोण आहे? ट्रॅव्हल ह्या मॉड्यूलमध्ये इम्पॅक्टेड सिस्टीम माझ्या तिन्ही आहेत. ओके. सो इम्पॅक्टिंग ऑन वर्किंग अदर मॉड्यूल. ओके. These modules impact and about this module sub modules impacts are closely working with each other. Okay. Yes. So I am testing my new test data, okay, with this previous module as well as with this sub module. See, today I will again add this by C route. Yes, I will again add this sub module. My main module is not changing, but I am adding the sub modules in it. Okay, n number of things. Okay, there might be another sub module there, xyz hyperloop, something like this. Yes. So I am doing what? So this impact on working with other module is being get tested in the regression testing. Clear the topic? Clear the things? Yes. We have seen retesting is happening. Sorry. Retesting is happening 2 times and regression testing is also happening 2 times. And what are they? So during system interrogation, yes, first of all, system interrogation, when we are interrogate with the system, okay, and the second one, any idea when the regression testing will happen? Any guesses? Anyone? Yes, Sagar, Pritesh.
Yeah, there is a change in the main module.
Yes, we can call it. So we can also call it like after completing SIT and UAT. Yes. So once we complete with the SIT, once we complete with the UAT, user acceptance, yes, then we are performing this regression testing. Okay, clear? So what do we actually do here? Okay, let me just clear the window and show you what do we do in regression testing. Very first, if any new scenario gets added in the instead of doing SIT, okay, on that we do regression testing. New scenario, okay, get added instead of doing SIT. Okay, when we are skipping this SIT process, okay, new scenario has been added for my existing model, okay, then we perform regression testing. Yes. Second one, any idea what is the regression? We have seen regression is what? Regression is basically to check whether newly corrected system, okay, is working well and impact, okay, impact. So check all fail test cases. Yes. So to check all the failed test cases, we are performing regression testing. Okay. Next, any guesses? We can also call it high priority. Yes, there are some things, okay, that could be some high priority. Okay, for the test cases, we are doing regression. Okay, so for the new scenario, new added things, new sub modules, as well as to check all the failed test cases with high priority test cases, we are performing what? We are performing regression testing. Clear the topic? Any doubt here? Up to here? Any doubt? Yes?
Yeah.
Pradnya, Pritesh, Sagar, Nachiket. Any doubt up to this?
No.
Okay, great. See, in how many test scenario up to this lecture, what we have seen? Okay, in how many scenarios we are involved? Okay, See, we are involved, okay, in first of all test case design. Yes, that was the basic thing which we have to do, test case design. Then test case execution. Yes, where we also need to execute. Once we are complete with the design phase, what we have to do, we have to execute them. Then what do we do? Pritesh, Sagar, what do we do? Nachiket,
Any
once
defect
we,
raised
sorry, yes, go ahead.
during
Yes,
testing?
log defects. Yes, if the test cases has been failed, okay, or there are some errors, what do? We defect the log. Next, SIT process, our overall SIT process. Okay, then what do we do? Yes, yes, just we have seen retesting,
Retesting.
retesting. Then the last topic which was in, after retesting, what do we do?
Deployment.
Regression is pending. What do? We do regression, then UAT, and the furthermore process. Okay, whatever. So this is our things. Okay, test scenarios we are in all after that. Yes, test cases design, then execution, then if the test case has been failed, okay, there might be a two, okay, pass or fail. Once we are failed with this, we raise the defect. Okay, we'll log the defect. Once we complete with the SIT, retesting, regression, then UAT, and the further process like this. Understood? Yes, understood up to this regression. Okay, let's check with the UAT.
Yes.
UAT, okay, user acceptance testing. UAT, simple topic, simple one. Okay, let me just tell you what is UAT. Okay, so UAT is a process of collecting feedback from customer. Simple one. See, always make it, try to understand. Okay, try to think in a simple manner, simple way. Don't make it complicated. Okay, so what is UAT? User acceptance testing. Okay, collecting feedback, sorry, it is a process of collecting feedback. Okay, feedback from customer. Okay, we have seen our SDLC process. Who are our customer? Our internal employees, our the group which we have designed for testing purpose. Okay, they are our customer now. Okay, so collecting feedback from them. Okay, that is your UAT. So who are here involved here? Who are the people? They are involved here. Anyone? Very first of all, test team.
Splendid.
Yes, development team, and the customer. Yes, these are the three persons. They are the stream that has been involved in UAT. Okay, it is also known as end to end testing. Yes, it is also known as end to end testing. Then again, so tool use. Okay, what are the different tools we do use in our this UAT? Okay, so there are some queue messenger. Okay, we'll talk about that. Okay, we have Jira, yes, for ticketing. Yes, like this. So there are different tools we do in this UAT testing. Okay, next, what do we do? So UAT starts when? Any idea when UAT starts?
After retesting,
Yes,
Regression.
absolutely right. After retested, we can also call it after SIT. Yes, once we complete our retesting, once we complete our regression, once we complete our SIT, then our UAT starts. Okay, so UAT starts after retesting and regression testing. So the flow like this: SIT, then it goes to UAT. Yes, once we complete with the UAT, once we complete the SIT, then it goes to UAT. UAT completes it, then it goes to production. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, here we are. So user decided from total user stories. Yes, we have seen user stories. How many user stories he want to test from testers? Okay, there might be some 5, 10, 15. Okay, this kind of user story they have been developed. Okay, we are testing them. So tester then check all the test cases. Okay, user story has been developed, tester will check all the test cases. Customer can change test data also. See, our customer can change test data, okay, for testing purpose. Clear? So trying our testing in different environment like this. So, and it is a customer whether to send system for production or not. Okay, they will decide whether they are satisfied for the things, okay, yes or no. Okay, so procedure involved in it. So test team share desktop between them, okay, user development like this. Okay, so we have a testing team, okay, different kind of things which we have. Okay, test team execute test cases scenario. We have developed some test scenarios also. Okay, scenarios. Okay, we will test everything. Okay, let's consider there are 5 user stories. We'll check all the test cases related to it. Okay, one by one. Okay, one user story contain, let's consider 10 test cases. Okay, so for 5 we'll check all the scenarios. Okay, that 50 which we have. Clear the things? Yes. Once we raise the defect, suppose, then what will happen, there might be two chances. Okay, test cases pass, test cases might goes to fail status. Yes, pass, then well and good. Okay, what about fail? We already seen. See, once you,
retest.
sorry, yes, go ahead.
Developer changes something.
Yes, we log the defect. Yes, the same procedure we are repeating, log the defect. Okay, then that has been solved again. Okay, solved by the developer or the other person. Then we again
Retest.
do retest. Yes, retest. Okay, then we move forward like this only. So in this UAT, what do we do? Okay, so if the tester doesn't get a session ID or this testing ID, okay, we can call this team also. Okay, by using this generating ticket in Jira tool we have seen. Okay, I will show you after that also. Okay, so once we completed with this phase, okay, what do we do? The next is production. Okay, so like this flow I have shown you. After that SIT UAT, then it goes to production. Yes, like this only. So this is overall phase, this is overall the system which we have seen. Once we complete with the retest and regression, then where do we do? In UAT. Okay, UAT contain all this test case, all these things. Okay, there are different tools we have seen, Q Messenger, Jira. Okay, so all the user stories that contains n number of test execution data. Okay, we also change the data. Customer also can change the data for retesting purpose in UAT. Okay, once we sign off this UAT, once we complete the UAT, then it goes to where? Production. Clear the topic? Clear the UAT?
Yes.
Yes, I will give you the best example right now so you can understand it better. Okay, so test. Suppose what is our scenario? Testing. We have to test. Okay, paytm.com. Yes, in Chrome. Yes, this is my scenario now. What I have to do? I have to test. See, Paytm app is working fine. I have to test paytm.com. Okay, website, their website. Okay, very first of all, what do we do? So we share our testing. Okay, sorry, we share our desktop with customer and development using Q Messenger. We use that Q Messenger. Okay, for this our customer just to share our screen. Then we run test data. Yes, run test data. Yes, next one, anyone, we check the test data. Okay, whether they are passed or whether they are failed. Just a second, check test data. Yes, then after completing we collect IDs from the Chrome. Okay, session ID that we call. Okay, or we can raise the defect if it is fail, or if it is clear then we can move ahead. Yes, next one, anyone,
Retest.
retest. Clear the topic. See, Why retesting is important? Okay, suppose what we have done. Okay, once we go back to our developer, okay, we call him, okay, and we are saying that, okay, this has this apart from 10 test cases, okay, 7 has been passed, okay, but 3 has been failed. Okay, so he check everything for this 3. Yes, and he resubmit to us. Okay, but what if he did not retest? Okay, we don't know, okay, what kind of changes he has been done in this. Okay, so that why retesting is most important thing in our total overall process. Yes, then we all test cases get passed, then build can proceed production. Yes, and if customer want, so we go for production. So before 10 test cases, okay, 7 was passed, 3 was failed. Once I check retest this, I again went to for this 3 are passed now. Okay, those 3 which were failed before, okay, before this retesting, okay, that has been passed. Then I move for the production. Completed. Sorry, understood? Yes or no?
Yes.
See, this UAT, let me just show you. See, any doubt, please ask me right now. Once we complete with this UAT, okay, UAT testing has two types. Okay, what are they? First one is alpha testing. I have shown you the broad scenario. Okay, alpha testing, beta testing. One by one we'll see that. What is alpha testing? Alpha testing happens for web-based application. Web-based application. What is web-based application? Anyone? You have to tell me what is web-based application. Anyone? I'll just remove this beta testing. First we'll complete alpha testing, then I'll go for that. Then alpha testing conducted in a controlled environment. Controlled environment. Yes, next point. What is control environment? Anyone? Any guesses? Control environment is nothing but conducted in front of tested and development customers, also testing team, development and customer. Okay, so I am doing my testing, my control environment. What is control environment? In a front of testers, in a front of developers, in a front of customer. Okay, now next one. So developer and test are more involved in this alpha testing. So developer is more involved. Clear? In alpha testing? Yes. So real customers are involved. Okay. It might be your, who are the real customers? Okay, we are developing bank applications. Previously we have taken example. Okay, so HDFC team, okay, or IDBI team, okay, which were involved in these things. Okay, so they are involved in my particular alpha testing. I am showing them this test cases execution. Okay, understood alpha testing? What is alpha testing? Any doubt? Yes. Any doubt up to this? SIT, retesting, regression, UAT, and in that UAT we have seen alpha testing.
Just
Any doubt?
repeat this one, alpha testing.
Sorry?
Repeat this one,
Yes,
alpha
yes,
testing.
yes. See, what is alpha testing? It is a part of this UAT. Yes, alpha testing happens for web-based application. Okay, so this our customers HDFC IDBI. Okay, they have approached us. Okay, we have developed software for them. Web-based application we have developed for them. Okay, once we completed with the SIT. Okay, now we are now with this showing our customers and with the development people also. Okay, we are showing to it our customer right now. Okay, so developers plus customers, okay, they are involved here in this alpha testing. So real
Okay.
customers like our this houses, HDFC IDBI, for them who are making a web based application. Clear the things alpha testing?
Okay.
Now the second one was beta testing. So beta testing happens in a product based company. Very first of all, product based company. On I think on the seventh, I think on the second lecture we have seen what is product based, what is service based. Okay, so anyone would like to tell me what is been a product based? Pritesh would like to tell me what is product based company, or anyone? Yes, anyone would like to tell us what is product based? Yes, Sagar. See,
They are delivering the product as a product,
yeah,
like
simple
Microsoft
one. Delivering,
and
yes, as output as well a product. Simple one, which we have seen. Microsoft, yes, delivering the various product. Google, delivering the various product. Yes. So this beta testing is a product based testing. Yes, clear the things. Now, so beta testing conduct in uncontrolled environment. Uncontrolled environment, uncontrolled environment. Okay, now so beta testing conducted in controlled environment. Uncontrolled environment means within organization. Yes, what is uncontrolled environment? See, these people, we from for them which we are developing the app, okay, they are not involved right now. Okay, within organization, within organization it is involved. So developers are less involved, less involved. Okay, clear the things. What is beta testing? Yes or no? I hope clear with the alpha testing, beta testing. Okay, these 4 points which we have seen in our this topic. Okay, I just remember this. Okay, the first I am repeating this talk again and again. Error. Okay, what is error? Anyone would like to tell me? So error is mistake in our program. Yes, clear. Second one, okay, defect. What is defect? Anyone? I am repeating this 4 words again: error, defect, bug, issue. Okay, but I want you to know the difference, know the things, what are they. So what is defect? So when the tester found mistake, that is error. Okay, so when tester found mistake, that is your defect, that is your error. Third one, bug. Anyone? What is your bug? So bug, when developer accept that, okay, when developer accept defect, okay, called bug, we call them, it is a bug. Understood? Bug in the system. Yes, clear. And last one, see this 4 word I am repeating again, so I want you to clear with this one. Issue. Simple one. When the developer found difficult, okay, difficult to solve bug. See, this is how they are related with each other. Okay, then it is called issue. Okay, so what is error? Mistake in program. What is defect? Okay, tester found these mistakes. Okay, then they are called as a defect. What is bug? Okay, when developer accept this defect, we call it bug. And what is issue? When developer is when developer what do you call, found issue difficult to solve. Okay, then we call it issue. Clear the things. Clear this for what do you call, for things: error, defect, bug, issue.
yes, sir, clear.
Yes, okay, great. Now, very
Yes.
first of all, sorry. Now here we are. Let me just take this black. Okay. Now, see, on the third lecture, I have told you this hot fix. Yes, or we can also call it production issue. Okay, now we are completed our SIT, now we are completed our AIT. Okay, but what is production issue, what is a hot fix? Let us look at it. Okay, see, so what is hot fix or production issue? When a production customer, okay, found any defect. Okay, when production found the defect, okay, that is your things, found the defect in a product. Once you are completed with your product, you have deployed it, yes, you have given it to the production. Okay, but the production people found some defect in it. Okay, that is known as your hot fix, that is known as your production issue. Complete, understood? Yes, what is production issue? Simple one, when the production found that defect in a product, that is your production issue. So tools used for this development. Okay, what are the tools? Okay, um, any idea, any guesses? We use Jira for it, yes, for our internal communication in the organization. Okay, and the fixes. See, one by one we'll see. We have seen, as once we are complete with your SIT, then UAT, okay, then production in we are right now. In a production, what we are doing in a production, okay, production people had found some defect. Okay, okay, they have found, let's consider apart from this, they have found three defects. Okay, then again goes for these things, again goes for the SIT. Okay, hot fixes to fix your production issue. Okay, then again goes for the UAT. Okay, retest, regression. Okay, we are completed all the process right now, then again go for this production. Understood what is production issue?
Yes.
Yes. Now, see, simple criteria. Okay, just remember as a timeline. Okay, after UAT regression test happen. Yes, regression happen. After regression, what do we do? Production. Production starts. Okay, end user involved in the production. Who are involved in? End user. Okay, the bank in our case. Okay, so regression test engineer deploy the product. Okay, after deployment customer use it. Yes, once we are deployed customer uses it. Once customer find defect, okay, customer ने यहाँ पर defect find कर लिया, we call it hot fix. Yes, see the chronology, see the timeline. Okay, when the customer found defect, we contact the customer care. Okay, the customer care people, okay, raise the ticket, okay, to our tech staff. Yes, technical support. Once we are complete with this, okay, when the people cannot solve, okay, they raise the ticket to transfer to production team or development team or developer. Yes, see, once we complete the developer goes to the SIT for retesting. Clear the topic? See, this is a after UAT. Okay, your product, sorry, after UAT, here we are, after UAT. Okay, what has happened after UAT? Your production, okay, production end user using the your product. Okay, customer is using as your end customer. Okay, your hot fixes. Okay, your production issue, then customer care. Okay, then customer care transfer this your issue with the technical support team. Okay, if they are not able to solve, goes to the developer directly. Once developer completed that, goes to the SIT. Okay, then again the regular process, retesting, yes, regression. See, this is how we are doing our development, this is how you are doing our your SDLC software development. Sorry. Yes, understood? Any doubt up to this? Yes or no?
Yeah.
See, our in this
Yes.
our
Yes.
UAT topic, the last two things which we are still remaining. Okay, that is a speed testing. We also call is there are some three testing terminologies. Let me just write it and show you. Okay, very first of all, in a testing terminologies we have three things. Okay, for it we called monkey testing. Okay, see, like speed testing, another name for this speed testing. Once we are complete with this, okay, after that we have some exploratory testing. Exploratory testing. Okay, exploratory testing, and we have the third and the last one, that is ad hoc testing. Sorry. So let's look some points in a monkey testing, speed testing. Okay, you can also call it speed testing. So when we have a lot of test cases to execute but don't have enough time here. Okay, what I'll do, I'll just remove these things. Okay, one by one we'll see that. Okay, what is monkey testing? Okay, clearly you can see. Okay, I have lot of test cases but don't have enough time. Clear? I do not have enough time. Okay, sorry. So that time we use monkey testing. Clear? Speed testing. Okay, so this situation arises when developer find difficulty to solve bug, difficult to solve bug. Okay, this situation arises when difficult to solve bug. Yes, clear? And developer take extra time. Sorry. Okay, see there are timelines. Okay, in timelines we have to completed our testing. Okay, but what is happening here, difficult to solve the bug, developer is difficult to solve the bug, it has taken some extra time. We are available with a short period of right now. Okay, this much only. Okay, we have n number of things to execute. Okay, sorry, but we do not have enough time right now. Okay, this is a major issue. Okay, so when blocker defects come, okay, that time we do such a kind of testing. Okay, blocker something like this. Okay, system blocker and n. Okay, so blocker defect comes. Okay, that time we do perform this monkey testing. So we test both functionality. Okay, what do we test here? Our basic functionality, simple one, functional testing, our functionality in the app. Okay, and and our customer requirement. Understood? Yes, clear? Clear what is speed testing? Any doubt? Pritesh, Sagar, Pradnya, any doubt here?
Please repeat.
Yes, yes. What is monkey testing? We call it a speed testing. Okay, when we have raised some defects, okay, let's consider we have raised 10 defects here. Okay, but developer has difficulty to solve the bug. He taken some extra time. Okay, but right now we do not have enough time to complete our testing. Okay, there are some blockers which we have in our system. Okay, that time we perform some monkey testing, speed testing. Clear the topic? Clear the issue? Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
But this testing is
Huh?
performed by whom?
Perform by, yeah, sorry,
This testing is performed at what stage? Means
UAT,
at the
UAT,
SIT, UAT,
UAT, UAT,
UAT.
UAT.
Okay.
Now, now, so we have seen this monkey testing. Second, we have exploratory. See, only three. We have exploratory, exploratory testing. Simple one. Okay, just try to remember like a picture. Sorry, when we are not aware about this test application, okay, there are some application you are not aware about this, but we have to do test cases. Okay, we have some test data. Okay, some SRS, that time we conduct exploratory testing. Okay, we are not aware about this application but we have some test cases, we have some test data. Okay, test cases, test data. Okay, okay, that time we have to do exploratory. So in this exploratory testing we have some test case, test data. Okay, step by step we execute these things. Okay, with the help of developer. Your help of developer. Okay, understood? Yes, we have only developed this much part, we have tested only this much part of this application. Okay, but they have again added some modules like m1 module, sub module, m2 sub module, m3 sub modules. Okay, we just have test cases related to them, we just have test data related to them. Okay, so with the help of developer, with the help of your developer, okay, you are doing exploratory testing. Okay, simple. Understood what is exploratory? Yes? Any doubt? Any confusion? Sorry.
Yes.
Yes, clear? What is
Yes.
exploratory? Once, see, what is the difference between speed testing, monkey testing, and your exploratory testing? Simple difference we have. Okay, in a speed test we have everything. Okay, why everything? Because we already raised that particular bug, we already raised that particular defect. Okay, here we have only test data, test cases we have to perform, but we are not aware about this sub modules. Okay, then we are perform this exploratory testing with the help of developer. Clear? Yes? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, and the last topic which we have, okay, we have seen the terminology ad hoc testing. Ad hoc testing. Okay, the name itself defines what is ad hoc. For the time being, for the particular time being, we have seen ad hoc committees, okay, for a certain time. Okay, so when we are aware of our application, okay, here we are aware about application. In the previous one we were not aware. Yes, we are aware of our sub modules also, but we do not have test case, test data we do not have. Okay, test data also. Okay, we do not have test cases. Yes, that time we perform some ad hoc testing. Okay, for the particular time being. Okay, it is known as ad hoc testing. Clear the topic? Yes, clear the differences between ad hoc, monkey testing, speed testing, and the second one exploratory. Any doubt up to this? We have completed almost series of our testing. We have completed functionality, non-functional, functional, sanity, smoke testing. Yes, tomorrow from the onwards, tomorrow onwards we'll see some SQL. Okay, our database things. I hope everything goes smooth. Yes, any doubt, any confusion up to this part? Pradnya, Pritesh,
No.
Sagar? No. Okay,
No.
so yes, so tomorrow from the so we have completed this our functionality, non-functional thing, functional thing. Okay, the tomorrow we'll start with our SQL, our database things. Okay, uh, let me just hand over to the sir. Okay, so we would like to wants to address it. Yes, sir.
Thanks, Ganesh. Can you? I hope everyone can hear me clearly.
Yes, sir. Good
Yes, sir.
morning.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
So, guys, I hope you have seen the Telegram group that we have created for the further assistance on the placements as well as the few topics that we want to share to upgrade your knowledge. I hope you have seen that.
Yes, yes.
Pradnya, Pritesh, have you guys seen that Telegram group?
I think I'm not using the Telegram.
Can you please download Telegram from the Play Store? We will be increasing this. This will be a centralized repository for all the topics, modern trends that we want to share, the placement assistance that we supposed to share, the news on the placements as well as the current openings in the market. So what we are
Oh,
doing is we are sharing and communicating for the folks who are joining us in terms of creating the uh, resume, understanding how the mock interviews will go, what are the topics that supposed to be covered for the mock interviews, so that we can start at least interview process with various companies. Not necessarily you guys need to cover and complete the course. For the time being, whatever openings we are planning to have at least 50% you can match the criteria and you can start. Unless you fail the interview, you will not understand how to get success in the interviews. So we wanted you to understand, share your CV with Ganesh sir, and let me know if you need any help on terms of any of the corrections in the CV. We'll review your CV. We'll understand
oh,
where it suits and what position it suits for, and then we'll take it further.
oh, okay. I will.
Okay, over and above what Ganesh sir has taken, I will take a brief class which will be a polishing on all the topics which will have from starting to end. Whatever we have covered as of now, it will be more deep dive. It will be a different channel that I'll be using in terms of giving you a different flavor of that similar topic so that you have a more data when you are having answering the questions of the interviewer. Okay, how interviewer asking questions, how you to answer, because you are not the only one who is going to attend the interview. Our task is to crack interviews among the competition, right? So the early you share your CV, the early you action on the mock interviews, the early you get placed. So we have almost covered the manual testing topics. We will be moving to technical testing like database, then we'll be moving few more things, and then we'll be moving to the automation. So automation is the flavor. They will not give you any hands-on, any work on the automation, but you should know automation to enter the corporate world. So we'll help you to understand the topics of automation, but unless and until you are good with the manual testing, we'll not able to do that. Ganesh, you covered the test cases part.
Sir, not yet. Once I completed with these things, I will cover the test cases with the help of this. I have taken some notes for it. So once I completed with this, only some little points are still remaining. Then we'll go for it.
Okay. So guys, once we are done with the test cases, then only we'll be able to start on workshop of the test cases also. So I'll give you one topic, then we'll start practicing here itself. You'll understand how we need to